Hello, hello, my young artists. Today we are going to be making some simple birds for our project. All right, let's get started. This is an example of what your birds could look like. All right. And you are going to need a brown crayon and the piece of paper that I give you. This is about 4.5 by 6 inches. So, we're going to start with our brown crayon. I've got a chunky brown crayon because I like it. And we're going to start with this bird. It's facing forward. Okay, here we go. Zooming in. Uh-oh. Give it a second. Sorry, technical difficulties. Okay, here we go. So, I want you to put your finger in the center or the middle of your paper. All right, center or the middle. And that's where we're going to start with a dot. We're going to bring our finger over to the left and make another dot. This is going to be the edges of our wing. Let me zoom out just to show you a little bit. All right, once you've done your 2 dots, I want you to take your crayon, and remember, take your time, imagine your line before you draw it because you cannot erase crayon, and make a little smiley line to connect the dots and a rainbow line to connect the dots. Next, we're going to start at the bottom of the wing. We're going to come down, swoop, and come back around. We want to leave room over here for the beak. Okay, I like to draw with my finger first because it helps me. And I'm making sure I'm drawing a pretty big bird. I want space to color in later. When I'm done, I'm going to add that beak. Next is the eye. And the belly. And the texture lines on the wing. Aha! Here we go. My bird's facing that way. Next one. My bird's facing the other way. So here we go. Put my finger in the center. Make a dot. Now this time, I'm going to bring my finger to the right, okay? To the right, make another dot. They don't have to be big dots. Smile line. Rainbow line. Come down. Come up. Touch the top. Make the beak. Not too tiny because we're going to cut these out later. Make the eye. Make the belly. Make the texture lines. Okay, when you're done, before you cut anything out, you're going to color these birdies in. Your only direction is that you must have the beaks be either yellow or orange. Yellow or orange beaks. I'm back. I finished coloring in my birds. They use the same colors, but I colored them in a different way. I really took my time. Do you like them? I hope you're having fun creating your birds and coloring them in as nice as you can. When you're finished, make sure your name and class code goes on the back of your paper. Make sure you write your name in pencil or crayon. All right, happy creating!